Welcome family and friends. Welcome to Smoke Pot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Smoke Pot once again to do a big exciting video for you guys. I'm gonna be doing some grilling today, but it's extremely hot outside. I also have a brand new grill that I'm gonna be setting up, but it's too hot to set it up outside, so I'm gonna be setting it up right inside, and you guys will see some of that. Also, today is a very big day because it's my nephew's birthday. He's 17, Kimberly, today, and he's so excited. It's just remarkable. So I'm going to be doing a lot of food for him. I'm going to show that to you guys, but I'm also going to run a prank on him. I'm going to make him some barbecue fried legs, and I'm going to tell him that it's frog legs, and we're going to see his reaction, and I'm going to take you to show all of that. So guys, enough respect, subscribe, share, like. We're moving, all right? Stay tuned. Brand new, just coming. Guys, you see, we're coming a little direction. We're coming a little way, but we have a long way to go. But we just slowly following steps to get this thing. So, as you can see, the other parts on the floor. But you know, we'll soon be ready for the big time grilling outside. Alright. Hey, well guys, just finishing touches now. As you can see, nice grill setup. It's called the Royal Gourmet. It looks quite nice. We're gonna see how it works. You know, we have our tray set up, additional piece here. You know, maybe we can throw more corns or whatever, but sausages, whatever. You know, but take a good look. We're gonna be using this shortly. As I say, Mr. Kimberly's birthday. He's gonna sample it. Very fortunate. And there it is. So guys, stay tuned later now for the video. We're gonna be cooking, having a great time, and as I said before, we're gonna run a prank on Kimberly. So stay tuned. For all those who never eat frog legs, Kimberly gonna be eating it today. Welcome family and friends. Once again, it is Smoke Pot and Balance Kitchen, your one and only Smoke Pot. So as I told you earlier, a brand new grill we are here. Smoke grill, not no gas grill. There's the charcoal and everything, and we're going to be putting on some fish today. We're going to be putting on some chicken and whatever else. We're going to put some corn, whatever else comes to mind. So as you can see, the fire boiling up right now, bubbling up right now. I have with me, I usually try to find some pimento wood or apple wood. It gives a beautiful fragrance. So now I'm going to add some apple wood to my coal that's already lit to get that apple flavor into my meat that I'm gonna be doing, you know. So we add some of it. You don't wanna put too much, you know, because it's really give a nice aroma. Then put our grill on. Because we're about to go down to business, people. About to get down to business. Now what I usually do is, I usually use some of this palm. It helps in terms of your meat not sticking too much. And then apart from that, when you finish and you're ready to clean, beautiful. All right, so all you do, you spray it. You spray it on your grill. And that's gonna ensure that your meat is having a red stripe today. I'm gonna be using my Heineken in my chicken. Always put them down side so you get that nice pretty char. Yes, well guys, the journey continue. We're going to look at our chicken, see what's going on. Smoke like sun. Plus we're going to put some Heineken, all right? So we do like so. Don't play with it. Nicely. All right. Yeah. We're gonna take a nice Heineken and your chicken. That's how we do. That's how we roll. And then now you can see these are ready to turn. Start looking nice and pretty. See what I'm saying? Grilled chicken. Nice looks. Nice look. And you see it's not sticking as I told you because we use the pan. Right, so guys, stick around. We have some corn to put on. We have some snapper, nice snapper fish that we're gonna throw on the grill. Grill it down nicely. And we have a big surprise for Kimali. So when you see his plate later and you see him enjoying, it's gonna be fun, guys. So make sure you stick around to enjoy what's going on, all right? So remember, Smoke Pot, Balance Kitchen every time. Share, like, subscribe. Okay, guys, I think it's about time we're gonna take out some of the chicken that's ready. I wanna add just a few pieces of corn, so when we start heating, we can heat. So here we have some pieces that's done. We're gonna take these out. We wanna make sure we have some things ready. All right, so on this side now, these are almost ready. I'm letting them soak a little more, so I'm gonna put them up on the higher level right now for them to soak a little more. I also want to turn down that flame a little bit. Turn down the flame. Remember, smoke pot. This is how we do. Alright, I have some sweet corns. I'm gonna put them on there right now. Crazy or anything. And turn your notification bell on, so whenever I post a video, you guys will be able to see it immediately. So remember, it's enough love. Continue to do what you do. Be safe, be prosperous, and check us back in a few. And the corn should be ready, and we're gonna put some fish on also. Well, guys, as you can see, I just removed all the chicken. I only have a few pieces left. My corn's looking all nice and everything. I have some snapper fish right here. As soon as I'm finished and open them, you guys gonna see them. Party's about to get started. As you can see, we have the place filling up. We have Abu Apple. Here's my cousin, my nephew. This is Kimali, birthday boy. What that I told you about, we have great things planned for him. He's gonna be so happy and everything. So you guys gotta stick around, because I told you earlier on in the video the excitement that's about to happen. All right, don't miss it for nothing. Smoke Pot Balance Kitchen. Yes, my family and friends, welcome to that moment that we've been waiting for, where the birthday boy is gonna be enjoying some of the meal that we have prepared for him. As you can see on the grill, we have a few more snappers left and some corn and some chicken right there. You can see family and friends over here, come to celebrate with him. The big celebrity from England, Kimali, is right here with us. So as you can see, guys, I prepared very special meal for him. Snapper fish. As a matter of fact, I will not disclose what it is that he's eating right now. We're gonna let him eat, enjoy, and then tell us what it tastes like, and also ask him if he can tell us specifically what he's eating. All right, so look at his beautiful plate, and we're gonna allow Kimali to proceed. Nephew, happy Earth Strong.
Thank you, Uncle.
Bless.
Bless up. All right. All the way from the UK. Okay, first let me try some of the rice. That plate was fire. Yo, the rice is nice. Wait, let me try the rice with the barbecue chicken. Yo, the right flavors are in the barbecue chicken for the rice. That's nice. That's length. That's length. Hold on. Woo. Yeah, that's banging. Alright, let me go over to the fish. I'm not really a fish guy, but you know, I only eat my uncle's fish. Best fish in the world. Straight. Woo. Yo, you can tell the sauces have the seasoning has marinated inside of the thing. Woo. Yeah, the fish is top tier, man. You guys need to try that recipe for the fish. What's this? I'll try it and find out. Cow foot that. Yo, that's banging. Uncle, this is good.
Hey, I know it's your favorite thing, cow foot, so I had to put it in the meal, you know?
Wow, you guys need to try that cow foot recipe as well. Uncle, you need to do a cow foot recipe if you haven't already done one.
Yeah, I'll do that.
This is banging. Or the smoked pot jerk chicken. Whoosh. Woo, woo, woo. Uncle, that is leng.
Bro.
Yo, bring out the UK slang and everything. Woo, woo, woo. Uncle, that bad. For real.
I realize you're avoiding your vegetables, but it's okay. It's not a problem.
Don't worry, Uncle. We're getting to that.
We need
Don't
to
worry.
cook that.
Let me get to some. Actually, let me go to the vegetables, then some corn. Wow, you can see Uncle's put some sauce on it. Made some sauce for the vegetables, not some regular vegetable. Uncle made that sauce for the vegetables. Even if you don't like vegetables, you'll eat this. He made the vegetables nice. Nice like sweets. Yo, Uncle, 10 out of 10 so far. Now the corn. Last thing, the corn can't ruin the meal. Uncle, best chef in the world.
Oh, wait. I don't want to ruin your meal, but your cousin Apple have something to tell you, or at least ask you. So it's her time.
Hello?
How did you like the frog legs?
What?
How did you like the frog?
The frog legs.
Yes. You have frog legs.
What do you mean?
There's frog legs. There's frog legs in your plate.
What do you mean?
It was supposed. It does taste like something you've tasted already, but it's actually frog legs.
Oh, what is?
Can
Yo,
you figure out what that is in the plate?
yo, I'm not a joke, yo, man. Yo. This is fish. Yo, is this chicken?
Let the chef tell you which one's the frog leg.
Yo.
I mean, if it tastes,
Yo,
you didn't
chef.
realize, so that's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
But, chef, which was the frog legs?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but we've been talking about exotic meals all week, and he told me that he would try it for some money. So I didn't tell him I was going to give him the money, but since he tried it, I guess we got to give him some money. But, you know, always.
I mean, it was nice. The frog leg was nice. But chef, yo.
Would you try it again?
Yes.
What?
It was nice, man. If I ate it already, it's nice.
Well, listen, I guess I'll have to try frog legs one of these days. But guys, Smoke Pot and Balance, we're going places, all right? Subscribe, like, share. It's all about the family, all right? So see you next time. Bless up.